Hello everyone, I am Wicca BluMoon, and today I'm going to be talking about candles. So there are all kinds of different candles that burn for different lengths of time, um, but essentially I'm going to talk about the two candles that I use most of the time. So this one here is a votive candle, and it is only about 35 cents each one. I like the diameter of it because you can actually write what sigil that you want to on one side. You can write another sigil on the other side, or you can write the intent of what you're wanting for the candle. These usually last for about 13 hours. Sometimes they will go a little bit longer, just depending on how much energy you actually infuse into the candle itself. So, these here are a lot bigger. They are unscented, and these cost, as you can see, $2.50. So they cost quite a bit more. Compare the two together, they're about the same diameter. This one is a little bit less, but not too much more. It does have a base on it, and it's about just about two times taller than the votive candles. They are a lot more expensive, which you can get these at Hobby Lobby if you wish, but I do like the fact that they have a lot more area to write on. So you can use a lot more sigils on this that you want to make. You can write full names on here, your intents, everything like that. And these will last about, I'd say about 20 hours, about 20, 22 hours, something right around there. So these are the two that I usually use. So, and these votive candles you can get at, well, at any Walmart around the country. They have various colors, but they haven't been carrying a lot of the colors that I have been needing. So that's why I've gone to Hobby Lobby and picked up these candles. They are a lot more expensive than what I usually make, but they carry a lot of colors that I need. So, and I got these in green, black, and blue. These three colors, I usually use green and black quite often. They had a sale on these orange candles, which are great for road opening spells, in which I think these were like only 10 cents each, something really cheap. So I'm like stocked up on those for a little while. And also, let's see what I have here. The bigger ones are unscented. The voltives, on the other hand, they are scented. And personally, I don't mind them to be scented or unscented. That's totally up to you and what you want. White and black are candles that I use most often, but I do carry a couple green ones for money spells here and there. I also do have a couple dark purple ones and red ones as well. I usually carry a couple of those on hand, just depending on what kind of spell I'm going to do. And also go with your feelings. If you feel like a certain color is calling to you, pick up a couple. Just do one or two, or however many you want to use. I usually grab about 2, 3 at a time. If I feel like color is calling to me, and I'll try it a couple different ways to see what results come of which spells. So try them out. You can use all kinds of oils, on candles. You can carve, and I'm a big person on carving, which just depending on what you want to do, you can actually use apple and cinnamon are great for drawing in money. Also, if you go to your local witch shop, you can buy certain oils as well. I usually use this for my money spells and other things like that. So try different oils, try different herbs. You can use your black salt, you can use white salt, you can use basil, you can use cinnamon, you can use all kinds of stuff. You can roll your candles around in the herbs, or you can kind of sprinkle some on top. You can actually make your own candles and actually have the herbs inside of the wax. I've seen some people do that. And also you can use incense. So you can use the element of air to actually help empower your candle whenever you're charging it by holding it over the smoke of the incense. So there's a lot of different variations. There's a lot of things that you can do to your candles to help with the spells, just depending on what you're wanting to do. So there are a lot of things you can do. For candles. If you have any questions or anything like that, just put it in the comments below. I will check and see if you have any questions in a little bit. And if this has helped you, or you like the video or anything like that, please share and like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.